Hello, we're going to talk about sale of processed fodder under incremental analysis. This is a question that we're going to solve. Before you watch the video, pause it and read the question. Okay, so without much waste of time, let's see what the question is talking about. The question is talking about a producer, Rachel, that she has to make a decision whether to sell as it is or to process fodder. So she has two things. She has basic kits, which I call product 1, and that basic kit has something like this: uncut and undyed reeds, something like this, and dye as part of the package. And the cost of this package is $14, and she sells this at $30. So the second product, which if she process fodder she would make, is this one. Is a reed actually for making baskets that is cut and dyed. So in this package, what she has, we call this it is called in the question stage 2 kit. When she sells it, when she makes it, it will cost her half or product 1, which is the basic kits. This in packet, it will cost her half of it plus half an hour, which she values it as 18 divided by 2, which is $9. So if you look at all these things, the second product, it will be, the cost of it will be half. This one is going to be $7 plus $9, which is $16. This is the cost of the, if she process fodder, this is the cost that it will be. So to make the incremental analysis, product 1, which is the basic kit, is revenue is equal to $30, and product 2, which is the stage 2 kit, cost 14. This in what do you call product 1 as well, cost $14. That is the cost, okay, for product 1. Then for product 2, the revenue is $35, and so to make the incremental analysis, incremental cost, here we have $9 minus $7. $9, we get $9 from where? We get it from the this in the incremental cost, which is the cost that the cost of the increase, and this $7 is this in cost of the half product 1 case. So the incremental cost is equal to 2. Then the incremental revenue. The incremental revenue, how do you get it? You get it from product 2 revenue minus product 1 revenue. That is basic kit revenue minus stage 2 revenue, which is $35 minus $30, which is $5. So incremental revenue is $5. So let's see now. Do we have net income increase or net income decrease? So what we have here, we have incremental revenue, which is this one. What is our incremental revenue? Incremental revenue here is $5. So our incremental revenue minus our incremental cost. Our incremental cost was $2. So we have $3 as our net income. So our net income actually increases, it doesn't decrease. So because of that, if you look at the rule of this thing, sell as it is or process fodder, as it says process fodder as long as the incremental revenue from such processing exceeds the incremental processing cost. So because what we have here, our incremental revenue in this thing exceeds the incremental cost, so she should process fodder because she will get more income, she will get more profits. So this is it. But to make it simpler, we can look at it in tabular form, something like this here. If you look at this table, what we have here, we have sell per unit. We have for the basic kit, that is product 1, $30. We have sell if we process fodder, which is $35. And we have net income increase of $5. Then we look at the cost of each of them. For product 1, which is the basic kit, we have $14 as material cost, and we have $7 for the if she process further, because it will cost her half the material of basic kit, so it's going to be $7. So our this in here, we're going to minus this one. Then direct labor is going to be 0 here for the basic kit because there's no labor involved. And for the process further, we have direct labor cost, which is $9, and that will be we're going to minus it from the $7 of our previous previous cost. Then if you look at them, the total of the cost for the basic kit is $14, and for the process further is $16. And the total the incremental cost here is $2 if you look at it in bracket, because it's a cost. Then net income per unit for the basic kit, the net income is going to be $16, and for the process further is going to be $19. And the net income increase, if we minus this one from this, we're going to get net income increase of $3, which is good. So look at this. Here we have the cost of material decreases because Rachel can make 2 stage 2 kits from the material for the basic kit, so the cost decreases. And another thing is the total time to make the 2 kit is 1 hour at $18 per hour, or $9 per unit. Thank you.